Energy and Petroleum Cabinet Secretary Davis Chirchir says the cost of cooking gas will reduce by 30% in coming weeks following the acquisition of Kenya Petroleum Refineries by Kenya Pipeline Company. Here is Trevor Ng'endo with the details.
The Kenya Petroleum Refineries Limited, a dormant giant in Changamwe, is set for a resurgence after a decade of silence.
The government, through the National Treasury, is transferring 100% of its shares held at KPRL to KPC without any monetary considerations. Both institutions are owned by the government, so it's just like an internal transfer. But we are strengthening the capability and capacity, and we want to make sure that we align that we sign this share agreement to formalize and deepen that government support and even operational relationship between the two organizations.
The takeover gives the Kenya Pipeline Company the leeway to expand its capacity by converting 5 large storage tanks at the Kenya Petroleum Refineries into a bulk liquefied petroleum gas storage. CS Chirchir says Kenyans are set to benefit from a reduction in the retail cost of cooking gas by up to 30%.
So this is a great facility in terms of employing it for purposes of growing the industry, for purposes of growing, we have an LPG strategy. We want to do a tank farm, we want to do a whole value chain to support the bringing in of LPG as a transitional clean cooking gas, to grow LPG from current about 6.8 kilograms per household per capita to about 15 kilograms.
Kenya plans to collaborate with international oil marketing companies under the public-private partnerships to enhance supply of fuel in Kenya and neighboring countries.
To look at programs where we could actually be bunkering petroleum products so that we don't have to bring in a ship every month. So we'll be seeking to work with the international oil companies to see whether we can service the region by doing significant investment through private-public partnerships to bunker some of the petroleum products for the region.
Trevor Ng'endo for Easy Friday.